Okay, kids, in this video I am going to teach you how to represent or transform improper fractions like this one to mixed numbers. Remember that improper fractions are those fractions which numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, if you represent it graphically, you are going to need more than one unit. So let's represent this fraction here. So as the denominator is 5, we have to divide all of the units in 5, and we have to color 18. This is not enough, so we have to continue doing the same thing until we have a total of 18 parts colored. Right now we have 10, we have to do it more. Right now we have 15, we have to do it once more. And now we have 18 parts colored in total. So let me organize them one next to the other, so we can compare them later with their version in mixed number. So this is a total of 18 colored parts. And remember that each unit is divided in 5 parts. Okay, so in order to transform this to a mixed number, we have to make the division of the numerator divided by the denominator, which can be done in this way. 18 divided by 5. How many times is 5 in 18? It is a total of 3 parts. 3 times 5 is 15. You subtract, the result is 3, and as there is nothing else to drop down, we can say that we finished our division. Of course, we can continue it with decimals, but we are not going to do it in this occasion. We stop when we find the remainder. So, what is going to happen? That this number, the quotient, or the result of the division, is going to be our whole part, or our big number. It is a 3. Okay? And the remainder, let me do it with blue, this part is going to be the numerator of the fractional part. Here is the numerator. And finally, the denominator is the same than we had before. Okay? 5. So this 18/5 is 3 whole and 3/5. Let's try to compare that with this. Let's represent 3 wholes and 3/5. So 3 complete units, 1, 2, and 3. We color them because we have them. And now the fractional part, which is 3/5. We divide it in 5, and we color 3 of them. Now let's put them one over the other and see if it is the same or not. 1 complete unit, 2 complete units, 3 complete units, and 3/5. Let's see. Yes, it's exactly the same. So these two number representations actually refer to the same thing, this fraction. Let's do it again with another example. So, in this case, I am going to try to transform from 12/7 to a mixed number. So remember, we have to make the division 12 divided by 7, which can be done in this way. How many times is 7 in 12? It is only 1 time. 1 times 7 is 7. We subtract. The result of this is 5. And as there is nothing else to drop down, we finish the division. So remember, The quotient is the whole part, or the units. So only one complete unit. The remainder is the numerator, 5. And the denominator is the same than before. So 12 sevenths is the same than 1 whole and 5 sevenths.